Hey guys, today I'm in Appenzell in eastern Switzerland and I'm going to show you 3 hikes that hardly anyone is talking about. Enjoy!
Sun rises behind her eyes, but she still can't see it. When she's beside me, I walk slowly. She feeds my soul all the gold I could need.
Number 1. Hoher Kasten to Brülisau. You might be thinking now, wait a minute, isn't Hoher Kasten where everyone starts their hike to crowded Sachsenlücke? Yes it is. And that's exactly why this hike is such a hidden gem. Every summer, thousands of hikers take the cable car up to Hoher Kasten and head straight towards Sachsenlücke. But many people don't know that there are beautiful trails in the opposite direction too. While most visitors walk north, we are heading south on a much quieter path. Right from the summit at 1,794 meters above sea level, you're rewarded with amazing views. On a clear day, you can see 6 countries: Switzerland, Germany, Austria, Liechtenstein, France, and even Italy in the far distance. Looking around, you'll spot the peaks of the Alpstein Mountains, the green hills of Appenzell, and even Lake Constance on the horizon. Forstseeli, a small mountain lake, feels like a peaceful oasis compared to the busy trails around Sachsenlücke. It's a great place to take a break, enjoy the scenery, and simply listen to nature. One of the best things about this hike is that it's suitable for almost everyone. The trail is around 8 kilometers long and mostly downhill, with roughly 1,100 meters of descent. Technically, it's an easy to moderate hike, I would say. There are no difficult or exposed sections, making it a great option for families with older children, beginner hikers, and anyone looking for a relaxed day in the mountains. The best day to do this hike is between June and October. What makes this hike different is that you're not rushing from one famous viewpoint to the next. Instead, you're experiencing the quieter side of Appenzell and enjoying one of Switzerland's most beautiful regions at a slower pace.
So, this was it. Beautiful hike. I'm really blown away. Absolute stunning trail. And it's a beautiful alternative to the more crowded paths around like Sachsenlücke, Felensee, Schäfler. Really quiet. I'm sure you will like it.
Next up is a trail that combines incredible mountain scenery with a real sense of discovery. This is the hike from Weissbad to Kronberg. While Kronberg itself is well known thanks to its cable car, surprisingly few people choose to hike there from Weissbad using the ridge path. Starting in the charming village of Weissbad at around 800 meters, the trail gradually climbs through forests and alpine meadows before reaching higher ground. The entire hike usually takes between 4 and 5 hours, depending on your pace and how often you take a break. Over the course of approximately 11 kilometers, hikers gain around 1,000 meters of elevation, making this the most challenging hike on our list. However, thanks to the well-maintained trails and steady ascent, it remains accessible for most hikers with a reasonable level of fitness. One of the highlights of this hike is the section around Klosterspitz. Here, the trail follows beautiful ridgelines that offer panoramic views in multiple directions. It feels a bit adventurous without ever becoming technically difficult. You get the feeling of being high in the mountains while still hiking on safe and accessible paths. There are no exposed sections or difficult scrambles, making it a great introduction to ridge hiking for families with older children and beginner mountain hikers. The best time to hike this trail is from late May through October. During summer, the meadows are bright green and filled with wildflowers, while autumn often brings crystal clear views and beautiful colors across the landscape. There are plenty of opportunities to slow down and take in the scenery. Along the ridge and across the open meadows, you'll find countless spots to sit down, enjoy the views, and have a small snack. Whether it's a bench or simply a grassy hillside, this is the kind of hike where taking your time is part of the experience.
Hey guys, I'm not fully there yet. Still a few elevation meters to go. But I can already tell you that this is a little nice hidden gem, which was not on my radar. It's a sunny day on a weekend and it's absolutely not crowded here. Although we are super close to the well-known peaks of Schäffler and the Lake Alps. You have this massive panorama right along the trail. So I'm really happy with this one.
Eventually, you arrive at Kronberg, which stands at 1,663 meters above sea level and offers one final viewpoint over the Alpstein Mountains and the rolling Appenzell countryside. From here, you can reward yourself with a meal at the mountain restaurant before taking the cable car down to Jakobsbad. This makes the hike especially family-friendly since you only need to hike one way instead of returning along the same path. For our final hidden gem, we are heading to the peaceful hills around Gais, the round hike from Gais to Hoher Hirschberg and back. Unlike the more alpine atmosphere of the first two hikes, this trail showcases the softer side of Appenzell. The trail begins in the picturesque village of Gais, located at around 900 meters. The ascent towards Hoher Hirschberg is steady but never overly challenging. With a total distance of roughly 9 kilometers and around 300 meters of elevation gain, this is the easiest hike on our list. Most hikers complete the loop in about 2.5 to 3 hours, making it a perfect half-day adventure. As you climb higher, beautiful views begin to open up across the Appenzeller Land. And when you finally reach Hoher Hirschberg, you're rewarded with one of the region's most underrated panoramas. From here, you can admire the Alpstein Massif, the surrounding hills, and on a clear day, again, even catch a glimpse of Lake Constance in the distance. The return path forms a pleasant loop, allowing you to experience different landscapes on the way back to Gais. It's a perfect choice for families, beginner hikers, or anyone looking for a relaxing day outdoors without sacrificing beautiful scenery. Gais is very well connected by public transport, and you can get here comfortably by train from Appenzell or St. Gallen without needing a car. I'd say the best time to hike this trail is in spring, especially from April to June. During this period, the meadows are in full bloom, wildflowers covering the hills and fresh green grass everywhere. All three hikes in this video offer everything people love about Appenzell: stunning views and traditional Swiss landscapes. But unlike the region's most famous hikes, they still feel authentic, peaceful, and surprisingly undiscovered. So the next time you're planning a trip to Appenzell, just consider skipping the obvious choices for a day.
Today I chose really nice, easy, moderate trail in Appenzell from Gais to Hoher Hirschberg, and then all the way back. It's basically a round hike, and I have to say, absolutely a gorgeous little cute trail through the fields, as you can see, with dandelions left and right, and as well some pretty nice views on the whole Alpstein mountain range. It's a perfect trail if you want to just start the season slowly, get into the rhythm, enjoy the nature, and still want to avoid the bigger crowds at, for example, Swiss Alps or Sachsenlücke here in the same region.